Strategy stock 5. At last. Well, first, remember that this video is just from an investor point of view, and that should you invest in MicroStrategy or a strategy is at your own risk. This is just opinions, and by no means it is a recommendation for investment. You have to know and learn and be capable of making your own decisions, and this one video is not made to recommend. Just is an investor's point of view of what could be MicroStrategies. Strategies share stock value, say, in 1 year time. Today was 366, all the way down from 450. Well, for the first time, second quarter had profits and realized profits because indeed there is a huge concern about this competitive disadvantage of individuals regarding companies. So you might buy Bitcoin and then sell it or not, but have unrealized profits. Although if you are a company and you buy a strategy stock, have the same issue, but you don't have to pay tax for that. Isn't that interesting for all the humans, 8 billion in this planet? Yeah, they don't really care if you invest for your pension, whilst you should, not in fiat currency. Why? Because they print money every day, just so our Prime Minister is having holidays in the luxurious Lanzarote government villa. Isn't that? Yes, it is. Who pays that? You pay, because they print with your money. Now, if you think that's right, that's your issue. But I think it's nice to invest in another currency. It's a digital currency, limited, 20 million. Now, everybody is going crazy for these Bitcoins, and the individuals are selling. One of the issues is this tax issue. But I hope that in the future, politicians are responsible and environmentally friendly, so that have good governance, ESG, and that individuals can pay for their own pension, not them governments stealing. So I think it's a good idea that perhaps other companies buy a strategy stock, because you can either buy the Bitcoin or the strategy stock. This is a 2.5 relationship, so go ahead and make your own decision. But if, for example, Amazon buys of any stock of MicroStrategy, for example, let's say 50% of the profits, then perhaps would be the sole owner of MicroStrategy. Yes, that's the issue. When you go public, everybody can buy, and then you can get control of a company. Well, is that interesting enough for you? I don't know. But perhaps it is for me, and that's what I'm doing. So thank you very much for your time, and let's hope that this currency, Bitcoin, yes, it's limited, not like the others that they can print, because now they're having holidays. August, they don't work, but they get paid with your money. So in Bitcoin, this does not happen. So that's one of the reasons why I think it could be interesting investing in MicroStrategy. There is many other ways, but perhaps one of these big 7 companies will think about doing it themselves or serve MicroStrategy. Thank you. I'm doing it. Bye.